Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this 10-foot adjustable portable basketball hoop from IGL Sports. And it's got this very nice construction here that allows it supreme durability and supreme reinforcement so that it holds up quite well in all types of weather and all types of play. You've got two wheels right here for rolling this thing around if you want to transport it. This tank can hold up to 300 pounds of sand or 200 pounds of water to keep it nice and firm on the ground. Here it's got an adjustability aspect of it. You can bring this from 7.5 feet all the way to 10 feet. And the nice thing is that you can adjust this incrementally however you like, just with the swivel here. And it's not like other basketball hoops because it has a 52-inch backboard, so nice big backboard, shatterproof backboard. And it's got metal reinforcement along the edges instead of plastic like lots of other basketball hoops. This thing was super easy to assemble. It took me about 1.5 hours. It could take an experienced person probably an hour, and I did it all by myself, so super easy to assemble. And we'll go ahead and take a closer look here at the adjustability aspect of it. So as you can see here, you basically turn this clockwise and it adjusts the height of the hoop. It doesn't take long for it to adjust. You can see right there, it basically tells you what height level you're at. So right now we're at 8 feet and we just keep on going down. It goes all the way down to 7.5 feet. Looking at the back here, you can see this is where you fill it up with your sand or your water. There's two different ports, one on the top, one on the back. So that makes it very accessible and very easy to drain out the sand or the water once you're done with it. And now since it's super low, this is great for kids. You can easily reach the top right there and kids can easily put it in the basket. So overall, I highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.